Hello, my name is Ayushi Agrawal. I was currently pursuing PGTM in HR specialization at BIMTech.
My name is Vartika Saxena. I'm placed at Marsh Insurance Brokers and I am pursuing PGTM and now it's completed.
So my name is Ayushi Sharma and I am from PGTM IB program in BIMTech.
Overall, my experience was a roller coaster ride. I started with a lot of self-doubt. I wasn't very sure how this whole journey will turn out because MBA wasn't on my bucket list for sure. But in the end, as I started learning, and I was very curious about everything throughout my journey. Whether it was projects, whether it was class participation, I was onto everything. And that learning actually made this whole journey very, very experience based. And I loved
Okay,
it.
so I'd like to say that the whole experience at BIMTech has been rewarding and transforming for me because for all the hard work I've put in, I've always got something out of it. There was a lot of learning for the whole experience and yeah.
So BIMTech is one of the most prestigious institution and my experience at BIMTech is so enriching with all the opportunities that we used to get as I'm from PGTM International Business Program. So in our program, we used to get the port visits and all the faculties at BIMTech, all the specialized faculties of finance, marketing are so good that we used to get all the opportunities and also we used to get the mails from the club meteor about the case competition. So there are so many opportunities that we used to get here.
I am Ishani Singh. I have been rewarded the degree of PGDM Core. There have been companies and almost all the big fours have marked their presence in the placement process this year. I myself have been recruited in EVA India, which is one of the big fours. So wonderful companies coming over and a lot of opportunities for all the students who are joining BIMTech.
BIMTech provides so many opportunities for the placement. So many new companies are also here this year, as ma'am said during the convocation. And internship, there are so many internship opportunities also, and placements at BIMTech are really well. And I got the placement as in the investment banking department at eValue Sir. And in finance also, there are so many companies that I get the opportunity to sit in, like KPMG, and, like Oxane Partners. So there are so many
My
opportunities.
name is Mancha Luthra and I pursue PGTM. I'm a student of batch of 23 to 25. For me, every moment is very memorable because everything is very different here. We actually celebrate every culture. We celebrate academic celebrations. For me, every moment. And if I talk about something very special, so yeah, today is the moment.
Yeah, there are many, many memorable moments at BIMTech because, as I said, that there are a lot of activities. We had a ruler immersion also, and there's a lot of things that we did right here. So, yeah, it's the whole journey is memorable for us.
Memorable moment would be I was a part of the BBLF. It was our literature festival, which was held at India Habitat Center last year. And I was a member of the organizing committee. So I actually met a lot of authors, lot of business proficient authors, and that has been one of the most memorable moments for me because it was great interacting with such leadership.